So I'm going to start with skincare today, and for that I'm using Blossom Coach's Aroma Magic Vitamin C Skin Lightening Gel, but I'm not using this for skin lightening as such. This is my everyday moisturizer, I can say. Now I'm going to use Stay Corky's primer. This is my favorite primer of all time. This is a silicone based primer. Also, this helps in blurring out all the open pores that you have on your face. I personally don't have open pores issue as such, but still I like to use this primer, because this gives really nice coverage or smoothness on your skin. I have primed my face now. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade Caramel. Now I'm going to blend my concealer. So I zoomed in my face so that I can show you all the stuff that is going to happen on my eyelids. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Nikake's eyeshadow palette, and these are all the colors in this palette. You can see there's this blue, there's this green, yellow, brown transition, purple and pink as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brown shade right here on a flat smudger brush like this, dusting off the excess. Now I'm going to apply this color on my crease. Using a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to blend all the brown eyeshadow towards upper direction of my crease area. To deepen up my crease, I'm going to use this same palette, and I'm going to take this color right here on a fluffy brush, dusting off all the excess. Now I will intensify my crease only. This is how your crease should look like. I will take some more dark chocolate color and I will again intensify the crease. Okay, that's it now. Now I'm going to place green shimmer shade onto my inner corners, because we are going for a green makeup look, so green is must in this look. Now I'm going to take this shade right here on my finger like that. This is damn pigmented, if you guys can see. This is really pigmented. I'm going to place this right on my inner corners. Done. I haven't even swiped the color, and this is the pigmentation I got. To carve out my crease really nicely, I'm going to take a small brush and I will place same green eyeshadow onto the, I have to make this look more carved, and that is the reason I'm not using my finger. And I will try to clean all the excess product. I'm going to take this color right here on a fluffy brush. I will place this onto my outer corners. Using my fingertips, I'm going to blend both the shades together. Then I'll try to blend my outer crease, outer corner. I do understand this is not looking as satisfying as I was thinking, but let me just do my base makeup and I will be right back. Now I'm going to use this Fit Me concealer again, and I'm going to conceal my under eye area with this. I will blend this concealer using a fluffy brush. To contour my face, I'm quickly going to use this purple contour stick. This is my new contour, and I'm going to contour my face with this. Now to set my face, I'm going to use this NY Bay Compact. This is in the shade Robin's Amber Look 8. And I'm going to set my under eye area with this, because I'm already sweating because fan off hai, and I'm feeling really oily on my skin. Using same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line to smoke out my lower lash line. To highlight my face, I'm going to use this Stay Quirky highlighter. I don't know the shade name, but I will provide link in the description box. Okay, it's in the shade Melting in Your Lust 3. For lipstick, I have this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream, and it's in the shade 63. This is my favorite nude brown color. I'm going to try this on my lips. I'm not yet sure what is going to look better with this eye look, so let's try. So far this lipstick is looking absolutely nice on my face. Now who remembers this, guys? I just found this in my cupboard and I just realized that yes, I was using this in this whole thing in my school days. Whenever I जिस दिन जो कलर चाहिए उस दिन वो कलर पहन लो. So I'm going to use this today to apply bindi, and I'm going to take this green color right here. So I will apply this on my forehead, and it is pretty hard to open the product. Okay, I will mix this product really nicely. Okay, moving on, I'm also going to apply blush on my face, and for blush I have my oldie goodie Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. This is so pigmented. Be careful while using this product. See, in one tap I got this pigmentation. So I'm back, and you guys can see this eyelashes instantly changed my entire face. My eye look is looking bomb, and that is just because of eyelash. My complete makeup looks like, and now I'm going to pose because that is like my favorite thing to do. Every time my makeup is completed, I'm just like, okay, look at me. For today's video, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and enjoyed watching me transferring from that into this. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do that shit, you guys. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share, all this good stuff. Follow me on Instagram for more of such beauty updates. I'm gonna post more beauty videos there as well. And yes, keep watching my videos, keep watching me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.